Hello students, I am Sunny sir from Mahdi English School. So I hope all of you are keeping safe, staying indoors, not going out of the house without wearing mask. And when you come back, if you go out, then please come back and wash your hands with a soap or with the sanitizer. Please take proper precautions, obey your parents, whatever they say, and please keep watching the videos regularly. So this video is for class 2, subject science. So in today's video we are going to cover some new topics, and before that let us read one thought. Try and try until you succeed. So what is the meaning of this thought? Do you know that we have to keep trying and trying unless we do not achieve success? Means we should not give up. Always keep trying and finally you will get what you want. So never ever give up. That is the meaning of this thought. So as I told you, the topics which we are going to cover: uses of plants, lesson number 2. I have brought some new worksheets for you which we were doing in the previous lecture. It is continuation of that, and some textual exercises with answers that are to be written in the fair book which were left in the previous video will be discussed in today's video. So let us begin. So what have we learnt in lesson number 2? We have seen the plants give us food, oil and medicines. Then we have seen that we get fibers from plants, and with the help of fibers we can make clothes. And we have seen that plants also give us paper, rubber, gum and wood we get from plants. These are all the products we get from plants. We have also seen that we get soaps, toothpaste, perfumes and all these things from the juices and oils of certain plants. See, soap, toothpaste, perfume, all these are the things which we require daily in our life. These are all the products that we get from plants. Now let us see that the notes of the lesson which are to be written in the fair notebook. So let us begin with the notes. Students, I suppose you are sitting with your rough notebook, pencil, eraser. Your pencil must be sharpened. So whatever I am speaking, I will repeat it once so that you can write in rough book one time. You need not write in fair book, because in fair book you will write afterwards. Please write one time in rough book along with the video. So chapter number 2, uses of plants, notes. First one, give the heading hard words. HARDWORDS, hard words. We are going to learn some difficult words in lesson number 2. So the first one, what is given? SUGARCANE, sugar cane. Can you see over here? This is the image of sugar cane. It is sweet in taste and we get sugar from sugar cane. So what is the spelling? I will repeat. SUGARCANE, sugar cane. SUGARCANE, sugar cane. Then number 2, radish. RADISH, radish. See, it is white color vegetable, and what do we call this? Radish. So what is the spelling? Again, RADISH, radish. RADISH, radish. Number 3, what is this? Which vegetable? Turnip. So what is the spelling? TURNIP, turnip. What is the spelling? TURNIP, turnip. So I hope you have written in your notebook. This is turnip. Then number 4, what is given? See, can you identify this? White color and greenish. So which vegetable is this? Cauliflower. Let us read the spelling and write along. CAULIFLOWER, cauliflower. See, we have to divide in two parts. Cauliflower. That way you can learn. Cauli. Cauli. Flower. Flower. Cauliflower. 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 Then number 5. What is this? Which vegetable is this? This is broccoli. Let us read the spelling and note down. BROCCOLI. 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 One more time I will repeat for you so that you can write down. BROCCOLI. Broccoli. This is green color vegetable called broccoli. Then number 6. Can you identify this new green vegetable? Yes, it is lettuce. What is the spelling? LETTUCE. 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 So third time I will speak so that you can note down easily. LETTUCE. Lettuce. This is green vegetable. Next, number 7. What is given? Number 7. Cereals. Can you see this variety of cereals? So let us read the spelling. CEREALS. Cereals. Let us read again twice. CEREALS. 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 These are variety of cereals. And I hope you have written number 7 in notebook. Then number 8. Can you see this powder and one of the favorite items for children? Children like eating chocolates a lot. And how do we get chocolates? We get it from cocoa. Let us read the spelling. COCOA. Cocoa. What is the spelling? COCOA. Cocoa. Once more I will read for you to write. COCOA. Cocoa. This is cocoa powder. Can you see cocoa? It is used for making chocolates. Then what is the next one? Number 9. Can you see this yellow color powder and this hard substance? It is very useful for medicinal work. It is used as medicine when it is bleeding. So what is the spelling? What is the thing? Turmeric. Let us read. TURMERIC. Turmeric. What is the spelling? Again. TURMERIC. Turmeric. Once more I'll speak. TURMERIC. Turmeric. Then next one. Rubber. See what is given over here? Rubber. Can you see this tree? Rubber tree. We get rubber from it. What is the spelling? RUBBER. 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 Once more. RUBBER. Rubber. This we get from the tree and it is also used for making furniture and other things. It is a type of wood. Next one. Number 11 and the last one. What can you see over here? You can see sofa, table, and what is all this called? Sofa and table. It is also there in our houses. We call it furniture. So what is the spelling? FURNITURE. 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 Once more we shall read. FURNITURE. Furniture. Our next topic that is to be written in fair book is fill in the blanks. Here students, I request you to write the answers, only the answers right now, because with the video it is difficult to write the whole sentence. I will be sending the PDF in the group and you can copy it later on. Can you just write the answers with me? Let us read. Fill in the blanks with the correct words. So what is the first one given? Potato and dash are examples of stems we eat. So we eat stems of some plants. We eat stems of potato and dash. So the two options which are given over here, sugarcane, carrot. We eat the stems of sugarcane. So what is the spelling? Sugarcane, sugarcane. See, the first option is the correct answer. Sugarcane. We eat the stems. See, these are the stems of sugarcane, and we also eat the stems of potato. Then number 2, what is given? We get tea, coffee and dash from plants. So what can you see over here? Tea, coffee, and what else can you see? This white substance, it is sugar. It is not water. The two options given are sugar and water, and the correct answer is sugar. We get sugar from plants. We do not get water from plants. We get sugar. Sugar is also used for cooking, for also making tea and coffee. It makes the substance sweet. So we get tea, coffee and sugar from plants. Next, number 3. We get oil from dash. So where do we get oil from? We get oil from plants, right? So what is the spelling? Plants. Plants. We get oil from plants. Do we get oil from paper? No. Instead we get paper from plants, but we cannot get oil from paper. From paper we can make craft activities, but we get oil from plants, and oil is used in several things like cooking and also applicable for our hair. Next one, number 4. Jute and cotton are dash. So jute and cotton, what are the types of this? Jute and cotton are types of dash that we get from plants. Is it a type of food or is it a type of fiber? Yes, it is a fiber. And why do we call it fibers? Because we make clothes from fibers. We can make clothes like shirt, pant, etc. So jute and cotton are fibers. Fibers, fibers. And we get fibers from plants. Then number 5, what is given? Furniture is made from dash plant. From which plant do we make furniture? Do we make it from cotton plant or teak plant? Yes, we make furniture from teak plant. What is the spelling? T-E-A-K, teak. We make furniture from teak plant. And as we have discussed in the previous video, see the teak trees, this is the furniture, the door, windows and many other things we make from teak. It is very strong and it will last for many years. It is not breakable easily. For so many years, teak furniture will be as it is. Next. Now the next is match the following. Here I have given direct answer in front of the question. This is the correct answer and this is the question. So I request you just to remember the answers. Do not write in the book. Just look on the screen. Stop writing. See, these are the correct answers. So the first one, what can you see over here that we eat regularly? That is rice. And what is rice? Rice is a type of cereal. Am I right? Rice is a type of cereal. See, C-E-R-E-A-L, cereal. Rice comes in the category of cereals. We have learnt so many other cereals in the lesson, but here we can see rice. Next, number 2, can you see over here what is written? Cardamom. What is cardamom? It is a type of spice. And we use spices for giving flavor to our food and also making our food tasty. So that is the work of spices. It makes our food tasty and appears good. So cardamom and cinnamon, all these are the types of spices which makes our food tasty and look good. Number 3, what is given? Cotton. So cotton is a type of fiber. How can we say? Because with the help of cotton, we can make cotton clothes like cotton shirt, right? Cotton pants. All these are the types of clothes. And we can make clothes with the help of cotton. Cotton is got from fiber. Fiber is got from plants. So in short, we get clothes with the help of plants, and because we get cotton from fiber. Next, rubber or erasers. Can you see rubber? So rubbers, we can get eraser from rubber tree. Erasers are used for erasing. You know, you have eraser in your compass box. When you make a mistake while you are writing with pencil, you can erase your mistake with the help of erasers. Erasers are helpful while writing. So rubber, eraser. Next one, rose. So rose is used for perfumes. We can make good perfume, good smelling perfumes with the help of rose, and it has a very pleasant smell. As we have discussed in lesson 1, the part of the plant that will make perfume, so that is flowers. So rose is a type of flower, and we can make perfume, very good smelling perfumes we can make with the rose and jasmine and other types of flowers. So as you can see, this is the image of perfume. It will make your body smell good. Now what else you can see? The next topic for today, write 2 examples for each of the following. So we have to write 2 examples for the question which is given to us. So what is the first question? Cereals. So there are 2 examples of cereals given over here. What is the image? Rice and oat. These are the 2 types of cereals. Learn the spelling along with me. R-I-C-E, rice, O-A-T, oat, rice and oat. These are the 2 types of cereals. Rice, oat. Next, spices. As I told you, the work of spices is to make the food very tasty, and it will also add the flavor, the color to the food. So there are 2 popular spices used by all of us, that is cardamom, cinnamon. These are the 2 types of spices. So we have to learn the spellings because many of you will make mistakes over here. C-A-R-D-A-M-O-M, cardamom. C-I-N-N-A-M-O-N, cinnamon. So cardamom and cinnamon. Let us learn it again. The 2 types of spices that will give the taste to our food. It will make our food spicy. C-A-R-D-A-M-O-M, cardamom. Then C-I-N-N-A-M-O-N, cinnamon. Cardamom and cinnamon. These are the 2 types of spices. Next, number 3. What is given? Plants that give us medicines. So here we have to write medicinal plants. The 2 images are given, and first one is neem. Neem, and the second one is turmeric. These are the 2 medicinal plants, and we get medicines which are useful for patients, those who are in the hospital, and neem and turmeric are the best home remedy for those who are not well. If you have fever or if you have got cut, it is bleeding, we can use neem or turmeric. See the spelling, N-E-E-M, neem. T-U-R-M-E-R-I-C, turmeric. Turmeric is best for many problems. Especially when it is bleeding, you can apply turmeric and your bleeding will stop within a few seconds. Then neem, also useful for many things. So these are the 2 best medicinal plants used for medicines. Next, what is given? Plants that give us fibers. So what is the use of fibers? As we discussed earlier, fibers are used for making clothes, right? We can make clothes that we wear every day with the help of fibers. So what are the 2 examples you can see over here? Cotton and jute. What is the spelling of cotton? C-O-T-T-O-N, cotton, and here jute, J-U-T-E, jute. So these are the 2 plants that gives us fiber, cotton, jute. As you can see, white color, and here it is brownish. So cotton and jute, these are the 2 fibers. And what is the use of fiber? We can make clothes and etc. many other things from fibers. So here we have to write only two names. We have written cotton and jute are the two types of fibers. Next, what is given? Number 5, plants that give us wood. So the plants which give us wood, we have to write any two plants that give us food. So first one I have written over here, oak, and the second one is pine. Can you see oak and pine? This is the image of oak and pine. I have brought images for you. See, this is how it looks like. So it gives us wood, and with wood we can make furniture, right? Table, chair, etc. So what is the spelling? O-A-K, oak, P-I-N-E, pine. Oak and pine. These are the different types which give us wood. These are the different types of plants that give us wood. Oak and pine. Next, what is given? Write one word for the following. So we have to write give one word. So what is the first one? Grains that are ground to make flour. Means we crush the grains and we make flour, that is atta. And with flour we can make so many things. We can cook chapatis and other things. So what is the spelling? What do we get when we ground the grains? We get cereals, right? I told you anaj, that is in Hindi, and that is what we eat every day for strong body. So what is the spelling? C-E-R-E-A-L-S, cereals, grains that are ground to make flour. So with the help of grains we make flour. And what is it called? Cereals. C-E-R-E-A-L-S, cereals. Next, things that add flavor to our body. So the things which give flavor to our food, means which makes our food very spicy. It will make our food look very good in appearance and also very tasty. So that are called spices. What is the spelling? S-P-I-C-E-S, spices. What is the spelling again? S-P-I-C-E-S, spices. And what is the use of spice? It will give flavor to the food and it will make our food very tasty in the taste. It will make it yummy and spicy. So from spicy, we have to remember the name spices. S-P-I-C-E-S, spices. That are the things that add flavor to our food. Then number 3 is given, part of the rubber tree that gives rubber. So which part of the rubber tree gives us rubber? We get rubber from the juice of the rubber tree. See, the juice of the rubber tree gives us rubber. So as you can see, this is the juice of the rubber tree. And what do we get from the juice of the rubber tree? The part of the rubber tree that gives us rubber. So in short, we get rubber from the juice of the rubber tree. So what is the spelling? J-U-I-C-E, juice. Then number 4, tree that gives us gum. So from which tree do we get gum? KitKat tree. It is very important question. You should remember for general knowledge also. The tree that gives us gum. See, this is KitKat tree. We get this gum from KitKat tree. What is the spelling? K-I-K-A-R-T-R-E-E, KitKat tree. It must be capital alphabet. We get gum from this tree. See, this is the gum, and when we get gum, we can also use for sticking it like glue. This is KitKat tree. Now the last topic for today, that is question answer. So let us learn question answers. First one, name any 3 things that can be made out of wood. So which 3 things we can make out of wood? Can you see the image? House, furniture, boards. These are the 3 things we can make with the help of wood. Which are the 3 things? House, furniture, boards. H-O-U-S-E, house. F-U-R-N-I-T-U-R-E, furniture. And B-O-A-T-S, boards. So name any 3 things that can be made out of wood, house, furniture, boards. Next, what is a spice? So a spice is usually a dried seed, fruit, root or bark. These are the images of different spices. A spice is a dried seed, fruit, root or bark. It is something which gives flavor to our food and makes our food tasty. Seed, rice can be dried seed, fruit, root or bark. Then number 3, what is given? Where do we get fibers from? So where do we get fibers from? We get fibers from cotton and jute plant. Again, we get fibers from cotton and jute plant. See, this is cotton plant, this is jute plant. So we get fibers from cotton and jute plant, and we can also make clothes with the help of fibers. Then number 4 is given. Where do we get rubber from? So from where do you get rubber? We get rubber from the juice of rubber tree. So we get here rubber from the juice. Can you see the juice? This is the juice falling out of the rubber tree, and we get rubber from the juice of the rubber tree. Let us read once again. We get rubber from the juice of rubber tree. Once more. Where do we get rubber from? We get rubber from the juice of rubber tree. Next, the last one, number 5. Write 2 examples of cereals and pulses. So first, we will write 2 examples for cereals, and then we shall write 2 examples for pulses. So what are the 2 cereals? Rice and wheat. What is the spelling? R-I-C-E, rice, W-H-E-A-T, wheat. These are the 2 types of cereals. R-I-C-E, rice, W-H-E-A-T, wheat. Then we have to write 2 types of pulses. So what is the name of the pulse given over here? Moong and kidney beans. So what is the spelling? M-U-N-G, moong. Then K-I-D-N-E-Y, B-E-A-N-S, kidney beans. So first we have to learn the spelling of kidney. K-I-D-N-E-Y, kidney, B-E-A-N-S, kidney beans. These are the 2 types of pulses. So what is our question? 2 examples for cereals and pulses. So first we have to write cereals, rice and wheat, and then we have to write the names of the pulses, moong and kidney beans. So in today's video we learned the notes of the lesson. Let us have a glance. First we learned the hard words, sugarcane. Then we saw, what is the next one? Radish, then turnip, cauliflower, broccoli, lettuce, cereals, cocoa, turmeric, rubber, furniture. All these are the hard words that we saw. Then we saw fill in the blanks in the lesson. Right? After that, fill in the blanks, we saw match the following. In match the following, we saw images of some beautiful plants and the products that we get from plants. Then we saw 2 examples for each. So these are the 2 examples that we have learned today. And then we saw one word, give one word for the following. And after learning give one word, finally we saw the question answers part. So we learned total 5 question answers today in this lesson. I hope all of you will complete your fair book with the notes which will be sent in the group, and we have discussed the notes today, and in the next lecture we will meet with the worksheet of this lesson, that is uses of plants. Till then, all of you, please take care of yourselves. Do not go out of the house unnecessarily. If you go out, then when you come back, please wash your hands for 20 seconds with the soap, or wash your hand with the hand sanitizer. Take care of yourself and your family. Till then, goodbye and have a blessed day. Thank you for watching my video.